All right, so just as a reminder, this is a sample question. So this is not the exact question you're looking at, but something similar. Hopefully this will help you. So our sample question is, Chris likes to play games all day. He normally plays games for 13 hours a day. For every Zoom class that he needs to attend, however, he plays 2.5 hours less. If using the format y equals mx plus b, what does the x represent in this situation? Units. If using the format y equals mx plus b, what does the y represent in this situation? Units. So the most common mistake here is that we get the y-intercept and then the y-units mixed up. They are not the same thing. So this is not talking about the y-intercept. It's just talking about the y here. Remember, the y-intercept is the b. We're just talking about this y. And what units do they represent? Remember, units are things like time, hours, all kinds of different things, inches, money, any different way of measuring something is a unit. So if I look at this problem one more time, where are some units of measurement? Well, Chris likes to play games all day. He normally plays games for 13 hours a day for every Zoom class that he needs to attend. However, he plays games 2.5 hours less. Well, the other thing is the hours. Well, what is the thing that is being affected? It's those classes. We can measure classes, right? You can say, I have 2 classes, I have 3 classes. You can measure classes. So hours and classes are the 2 different units, okay? So if we think about this, the next thing we have to remember is that the x unit always affects the y unit. It's not the other way around. So if we think about this, hours and classes, well, hours what? Hours playing video games, right? Hours playing games. So are the hours playing games affecting how many Zoom classes he has? Or is how many Zoom classes he have affecting how many hours he gets to play? And it's that other way around, right? The number of Zoom classes, in this case, affects the the hours of playing. So that's how we figure this out, is which one's affecting which. So the way we would write our answer here, it would be Zoom classes. The way we would write our answer here, it would be hours of gaming. All right, hopefully that helps you. Go back and see if you can apply this to questions 1 and 2 from your assessment.